Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so this is the first video I'm filming after I've hit 6K subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys so much. I am going to be doing an appreciation post really soon. I haven't been in service. I haven't had really a phone. My phone's been kind of spotty and the battery hasn't gone into charge. I've been camping, you guys, and that's why I haven't been able to put up a post, but I really do 100% appreciate you guys. I'm so glad you're still here and sticking by me. I just love that my channel is growing again, and I'm so happy because I work really hard on my YouTube, and I'm just so thankful to all of you. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. It would mean a lot to me. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get into the video, you guys. I figured I would do a what's in my purse video. Well, it's not really a what's in my purse. Kind of is. I really wanted to review this bag for a while, this belt bag from Lululemon, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna turn this into a what's in my purse video because I have been using it for the past few days. I haven't been using this very long, but I do have an opinion about it. I don't know, I just wanted to do a video just talking about it. I also did one of these for my Patreon. If you guys want the full review, all of the tea on this bag, then you can go to my Patreon. The link is in the description box below. But basically, I got this from DH. So yeah, I did not get this from Lululemon. I got it from DH. However, the quality of this one is amazing, seriously amazing. I love it. I'm going to be getting it in many different colors, and you guys will be seeing a Lululemon DH haul really soon. But yeah, I wanted to talk about the belt bag today. I'm not going to go into too much details about the bag because, like I said, I did a full review on Patreon if you guys want to check it out. But basically, the gist of it is I got the Sherpa one. So it does look like a sheep. It's really fuzzy. It's really comfortable. I happen to really like this. I am planning to get it in pink and gray really soon. And yeah, I mean, I just couldn't beat the price of this, so I had to buy it. And it's been the most practical purchase of mine in a really long time. Seriously, this thing has been so practical for me these past few days. Like I said, I went camping and I took this hiking with me. I wore it in the car just like as a road trip sort of bag, which it's really good for that. And I wore it today to run errands, go to the vet, that sort of thing. And yeah, it's been really great. The only thing is the color. I did get it in this cream color. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great color for the summer as well as the winter because this is like really cozy, you know, Sherpa material. But this does tend to get dirty. I do have a little makeup stain right there on the belt. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, just be mindful of the color that you're getting. Anyways, let's get right into the bag, you guys. So the first and the main compartment looks like this when it's stuffed. I will go over kind of the features of this bag. This is a 1 liter bag, and then I'll go into like the different compartments and stuff once I take everything out. The first thing that's in here is my Rocky Mountain Soap Omega-3 hand cream in vanilla coconut, and this is a favorite of mine. This is not really mini bag friendly just because it is, I don't know, compared to my face, it looks like that. It is a mini lotion, but I do have smaller lotions for my smaller purses. However, this one, honestly, it fits so much that I don't have to go for one of my tiny mini lotions. I have I was gonna say box of Kleenex. That's not what this is. This is just like Kleenex, you know, just like a portable Kleenex. I did take this hiking, so that's why I have that in there. It just holds all of my essentials really nice. This is my key holder and my keys, my fob and stuff like that for my car. This whole thing, this is huge. This is also not mini bag friendly, and it fits in here just fine in the main compartment. And then I do have my wallet right here. I do have a mini wallet. It's not a card holder or anything. I would consider this just like a smaller wallet. And I've been carrying this for the past few months. It holds a lot of stuff, but also it's not mini bag friendly. I just wanted to show you guys something really quick. If you guys are not from Canada, this is what our money looks like. This wallet just holds so much. It holds cash, it holds cards. And yeah, that's a $10 Canadian bill. It's made out of polymer, not paper. And this is just the gist of my wallet. It does hold tons, and it fits perfectly in the little compartment back here. And then in the other compartments on this side, I do carry chapstick, lipstick, and that sort of thing. So I have a Baby Lips, this tinted lip balm that I take with me hiking all the time. It's like the perfect shade of red, like a berry tone almost, and it just looks really great in my photos, and that's why I wear it hiking a lot. It's also really, really hydrating. I have this mini MAC lipstick. You could fit a full-size MAC lipstick in here, but I have been using this one a lot lately. It's literally, that's all I have left. I have been using this tons, and this is Kind of Sexy by MAC. I was using it earlier today. This is like my everyday lipstick, to be honest. And then I also have an SPF 30 Sun Bum lip balm. I don't love this. It's in a banana scent. It smells really good, but it just tastes weird. But yeah, I carry this with me because, you know, when I go hiking and stuff like that, I do like having an SPF on my lips because you guys know, you know, your lips can actually burn and they hurt and they peel. So that's why I have that in there. And then let's go over the inside of this bag really quick. So it does have a mesh compartment right here. That's where I keep my wallet, and that's on the back. And then it has two mesh compartments right here, and that's where I carry my chapstick and stuff. And then the main compartment is right here. This bag does not have a lot of shape when it's empty, just when it's full. It does have the Lululemon tag right there, as well as the Lululemon logo right there. And if you're wondering about the front, it has the silver Lululemon logo right there, Lululemon on the hardware, and then the Lululemon tab on this side. So this bag is a steal, to be honest. It's a steal. And then let's look at the back compartment. It is a zip compartment. And I do have a couple more items in here. This next one is a Blitzwolf. This is a clicker for my tripod. So if I'm hiking and stuff like that, if I end up on a summit by myself, I can take a photo and stuff like that, or I can vlog. And yeah, this comes in handy. It's great. I love it. And I need to put it back where it belongs. I have a hand sanitizer that's on the way out. Like, there's only probably one or two more uses out of this, but this is a peach vanilla scent. I love it. And then the last thing in here is my Kylie gloss in Candy K, and that is what I wear with that Kind of Sexy lipstick from MAC, and looks like that. So this does hold a lot. I definitely can fit more in here. This works as an everyday bag as well as an errands bag. It works for like a work bag. It just carries your essentials in here, which is perfect. It does have dog hair all over it, but you know, I was just at the vet, so that's why. And it does go with a lot of things. I picked a neutral color that goes with so many outfits. Also, it works great as like a hiking bag. My friend actually wears hers hiking, and it just carries your essentials right here, right? So of course you'd be wearing a backpack, but this just fits, you know, if you really need quick access to like a chapstick or something like that, it's all in here. And I absolutely love this bag. I will continue to use it. I'm sure it's going to get used like crazy. I think that this is a great purchase, so I definitely highly recommend it. If you guys are interested in this, you can check my Instagram bio under Shop My Closet. And that is all for this video, you guys. I will see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my